Alright, so man, it's been a minute since I pulled the Blackstone out. Asked the kids what they wanted for dinner. They said hamburgers. I said, you know what? Let's do some smash burgers. We ain't done that in a while. So I'm gonna walk you guys kind of through how I get down with the smash burgers, alright? First off, I give me some red onions, put a little olive oil on there, go ahead, get it set up real nice, Second, I have some 73-27 ground beef, I believe. Either 73 or 75, one or two. Thing is, I love the fattiness of it. It gets thinner, and I do all mine at 3 ounces or less. So these are probably between 2.75 and 3 ounces. As you can see, they smash real nice, sizzle up good. And I got some Kinders. I think it's a garlic, the garlic black truffle butter or whatever it is seasoning. Just add that right to it, right? Now, one of the things I'm gonna give you a little pro tip. When you use the smasher, you see I have some, parchment paper. Tape it on there. That way it don't be coming off and it'll last a whole lot longer, so you ain't gotta keep replacing it through every cook. Now, I usually leave mine on there for about 2 minutes per side. As you can see, these bad boys start getting brown right here when you flip them. They're a little stuck, probably got put a little too much muscle on it. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. These bad boys are going to look delicious. So if your family loves this type, man, go ahead and get it. Had to adjust the I had to go ahead and adjust the temperature, the fire, the heat. Flip it, add in some more seasoning, go ahead and get that done. So it's one of the easiest things to cook. They're super fast and super easy. And if you're wondering what Blackstone I have, this is the Blackstone Adventure. Simple one I take when I go camping. Doesn't take much room, and it sits really good on my barbecue outdoor table thingamajig that I always use. Love it to death. Uses one little tiny mini propane, so I can add the small, the big one attachment. I just use the mini one because I don't use this as much as I use my grills. Sit here, added some provolone cheese on it. Gotta have that cheese, and just let that go until it melts. I don't cover mine up. I'm not really big on the steam. It's already hot enough. So just go ahead, get you some cheese on there. I got some provolone on 3 of them. Pepper jack for myself. Next thing, man, I gotta get to that bacon. What's a smash burger without some good bacon? One of the coolest thing about the Blackstone, man, scrape, and you're good to go. I had about 4 or 5 strips of bacon on here. Then went ahead and jumped into some more smash burgers on these. So, like I said, man, you can just bang these out super quick. As you see in the background, I got a whole little barbecue tub full of just 3-ounce balls of ground beef. I could custom make these. Each burger takes less than 5 minutes, so probably more like 4. Just depends on how crispy you want them. Me, I like a little bit extra crisp on mine, but that's why I love a smash burger. Alright, so these second rounds come out even darker, probably because there's more grease on there, a little curl on them. Bacon's looking good. Man, these smell delicious. I can't wait to get in one. One of my favorite things about this Blackstone, man, you don't got one. It just cooks so clean. Like, I love cooking outdoors. Like, I know I love the barbecue, but man, I'm telling you, Blackstone got something good going here. So if you're definitely looking into one, check it out at Walmart. This one was super affordable, doesn't take up much space, it's portable. It came with the bag, the lid, the whole kit and caboodle, man. You just can't go wrong. So, go ahead and make your kids some. This is going to be a really cool summer thing to do. Really, really easy. Anybody can do it. So, that's really all I got to say, man. I really appreciate you guys taking a look. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, share, send with your friends. This is one of the most amazing things I love to cook. It's too easy. I'm gonna do my best to get more and more Blackstone cooks out this year. Might even have a little surprise for you guys with some Blackstone products coming down the line. So Like I said, if you like this type of content, please subscribe and like. And everybody, God bless, and catch you next time.